Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kekia ke Jylla Meghalaya ubak wailat Miki Jylla ulithu bagi Sorkar Jylla kan Bteng men Buddien ni kejing dawa ban kentiu kerdan ya ke NEIGRIHMS Syak Institute of National Importance. Halor kene kakam mulai yok benekran bat Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kekia ke Sorkar Pedeng haga jingwan piliu jingmu ju syasilong dangshan. Kadkum kejingong ubak wailat Miki Jylla ke Sorkar Pedeng kalau kular ban pet kene kakam hendrai kalau kerpat ke Sorkar Jylla ban penbiang ya bro kikot kisla ke bedon kam. Ula benrap ru bau Menteri rang ba ke Jylla konrad kongkal sang mau rada penpau ya kejing trish tom lor kania badan kejing tmu balik ya kendo iki bor badai pet ya Delhi lagi benai banwan ban nang penbha bat ban penyo syo ya kini kejing dawa kenang baga Jylla kan yo shibun kejing mentoy bat bagi nong snong bat kibawan Pak Sumar ken yo ya kejing mentoy
when our Union Minister of Health came, JP Naddaji came here. At that time also, I had a word with him, and then at the same time, you know that he came here for one this meeting for this health committee meeting where the parliamentary committee also was there. So I got the opportunity to interact with them also, to meet them in NEIGRIHMS itself. So where I at the same time I flagged this same issue with them as well. Then from their end, they have assured me that from their level also they will continue to follow up this issue, but they were requesting me that to provide them with proper documentation. So we are preparing, and then last time when I speak with our honorable chief minister as well, that he also said that no, we'll follow up this matter. So I think very soon in the coming most probably in the coming months, so we'll go and meet, we'll take a delegation, we'll go to Delhi, and we'll follow up this INI status for NEIGRIHMS.